Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to post multiple photos on Instagram story with one song, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. Start by opening up Instagram application for that. And once you open up Instagram, you may just go over and start by opening up your story option in the top left corner of your screen. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you go ahead and tap on it, what you may do is you may just go over and select multiple pictures that you may want to post on your Instagram story. So you can tap on this option of selecting multiple, that option right here at the top, and it gives you option to select pictures. So for example, I would like to post these three pictures together. So you can tap next once you select it up, and you can tap on this option of layout or separate. So you can either select any of the option available that will allow you to post it multiple. So I'm just going to select layout. You can go over and select the option for um, another one as well. So once you select the picture, you can see the image being available on your screen. Now what you may do is you can look out for the music icon in the top right corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you just need to go over and select the music that you would like to upload and apply it up. Once it is applied, you can add in lyrics or anything. I'm just going to leave it as it is and tap on done at the top right corner. After that, you just need to tap on your story to complete up the process, and the story will be posted. Like multiple photos will be posted with one single song. You can follow up the same process for another option that was included, that multiple one as well, and select the same song for each of the posts, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.